All right, I'm going to make some hot onions. This is cayenne pepper. I'm going to use probably, that looks like about 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Now what you do is just mix it in. Notice how it slowly starts to darken. If you didn't do it the way I did it, I was doing it to measure. I want to know exactly how hot. The way you should do it is you sprinkle it across the entire top so we don't get these clumps. Now we got some super spicy fried onions. Good for your heart. And I believe they're even both anti-carcinogenic, but I can't say that because that's controversial. But I can say I believe, oh, these are perfect. And that is how you make hot onions. Simple, easy breezy. I'll let that come to room temperature. And then I'll throw it in a container, throw it in the fridge, and we're good to go. Burrito time. Put my container nearby. I'll put it over here. And we're ready to put it in. All right. Hot onions.